Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is having an event in Canada soon, and she's asking for the support of her supporters who are in Canada and from other places to come and join her in her event. Now, she won't be canceling, so please watch the video and go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.
Ain't stopping nothing. I paid for the place already, and I'm not canceling it. So if nobody not show up, and if somebody come there and tape off your show, if you don't want to laugh for me, you not have to laugh for me. Because them say, who laugh last, laugh best. Because when me keep another one, more can show up. And when me keep another one, more can show up. You not stop me. So at 12 disciples Jesus walk with. And you see, the whole world you know is a Christian. Most of half of the world, and most of them are Christian. And the Bible tells us the last days, people gonna turn around, change them life like the sun on the beach. I can come to Christ. So me don't know what is in a problem. Like I ever come out and tell us I'm in a competition with people. I want to know. Me never know me in a competition with people. Eh? You don't have to worry. Whoever's supposed to be there will be there. Please go and get your ticket on Eventbrite. Look for Marcia Campbell on Eventbrite. Revival Road Show. It's on Eventbrite and the tickets are $25. Children are free. It is a celebration of Jamaica's 60th anniversary. All white affair with Jamaican colors. And it's going to be at the Terry Miller Recreation Center. And no devil in hell is going to stop me. You hear me tell you? Me say, even if I'm me and 3 people in there, we are going to spend with time and we're going to dance and we're going to have a good time until the time is over. Uno can't stop nothing with God. When God open door for me, none of uno can't stop it. None of uno can't stop it. Uno could have try. Uno not going to stop it. And me tell no say, me dip on uno heel back. Like me see a time going to come. Me say I'm going to laugh. Me say me going to come out. You see when that day that happen, me going to come out now and bathing suit. Well, no can't share nothing for me. Nothing. That the day there, me say me I come out in a one G-string bathing suit. I go and dance, I go and laugh, I go and dance, I go and me say una have to strip, me say una have to take down every video. It soon come. Una have to take down everything. You hear me tell you? Una have to, me say the day that me say people, me say look out for me. Me buy my G-string already. Me coming out in a one G-string. What that lady look like smell me know so? And them a Jamaican woman there. How me know a lady here from? Cause me know a lady here. Them a woman there hot like a 10 fire ticket in for the old days yeah. Backside, what a way they hot. Me see. You see how them watch them? You see them mama there hot like a 10 fire ticket, you know. You see how they hot there. A hot mama them in there, watch them. You see they have them back by them shoulder. I bet you see I must say Archer. You see how they hot, ma? I tell you. Me say that idea there. Someone over here listen to me. Imagine no over there share my video. And I buy food for Niam at Jamaica, wherever you depend on talk about a cost me. Go pa uno. Uno know say today for you and tomorrow for me. But kupa uno. But kupa uno. How the phones are fag? Yeah, what go on? But look for someone uno. Someone uno can't even find Ross piss spot for piss in. And since you don't come on YouTube and start make $50, you can't afford to buy plastic piss pot for pissing. So how you come and analyze me? From when you left school at Jamaica, you not going nowhere. More than catch man and sell on a crutch. Somehow no. So thank God for YouTube and Facebook so you can come go and make a little video. Because una don't even have crap. Una don't even have a proper bed for sleeping in. And someone over YouTube. And people man, una have. If the man no care want to crumbs come enough in there, I don't have nothing. Me is an independent girl. So I wanna come over here. I wanna come on YouTube. I wanna video. I come a diagnose and a chat and a wife. I wanna psychiatrist. Our school no go to. A cocky school no go to. What school no go to? What school no go to? Wanna graduate from you? You not graduate from you? In our where wanna graduate from? Wanna don't even have a good part for PC now. Much as a cookie now. I wanna come on Facebook and go on. Una fear walk a bar people boot and clothes to wear out. Me can't give on a boot and clothes. Me have clothes can help me want 2 department stores. Wigs and everything, glasses and everything. I wanna come on Facebook and go to analyze people. What I'm to an idiot? Or an idiot? Una can't come on something about to not diagnose people. Diagnose who? She's this and she that and she this and she can't help herself. When me say me can't help myself. What am I doing? Me not do what I want to do. Me is an entertainer. Me love to dance. Me love to act. I'm talented. So I can create anything. Me what now worry if after me not catch no man. Me not want no man because no man can't give me nothing. All the man can give me is a stiff piece of dirty wood. And me don't want that. Me a look man with substance, you know? Stability and all in sort of something there. Me don't want, so me don't know I want to come and chat. Before keeping yourself quiet. I'm go call people man when I there with. You understand? That is it. If you go pay on the bills and give on a two little $1,000 bill for buy 2 mackerel and name and come for my name on YouTube. Me soon fix no business. Me have all our name written down. Wanna take my video and go over there and have a nerve of chatting a video. All you girl, how are you? You're on YouTube and go and like say you're a psychiatrist. You're a psychiatrist? You need to go check yourself down at Bellevue. And that